What if I told you there's a hidden gem within your reach, a secret that's been overlooked by many but can skyrocket your business on Merch by Amazon? Imagine leaving your competition in the dust and selling more products than ever before. You're probably thinking, how is this even possible? Well, stay tuned because I'm about to reveal the secret that will get you out of tier 10 faster than you ever thought possible. Before we dive in, remember to hit the like button if you find this video helpful and subscribe for more strategies that will give you the competitive edge in your business. Let's start by giving ourselves a question. What's one thing everyone carries with them these days? It's not a trick question, but the answer is essential to our strategy. We'll circle back to this in a minute. The key to beating the competition is understanding them. But what if I told you that most sellers are missing out on a massive opportunity just because they're overlooking one simple thing? The beauty of this secret is that it's hidden in plain sight. The overlooked products that everyone carries with them, the secret weapon to catapult your sales on Merch by Amazon is phone cases. Now, phone cases are an evergreen product. They're not just an accessory, they're a necessity. It's a lifestyle product that lets people express their personal style. And the best part is the demand is always high and the competition is surprisingly low. It's time for you to seize this opportunity and take your business to new heights. So in just a second, I'm going to share my screen and show you how you can find phone cases designs that sell well on Merch by Amazon. So you just need to create your own versions of the designs and start printing money. It's not that hard if you follow along. Let's get going. So I'm going to be using Merch Dominator. Traditionally, we do t-shirt research, but this time we're going to choose the US product phone cases, just like that. And then we're going to add a couple of filters. So we need to click on sorting and choose newest so that we can find the latest phone cases that have just been uploaded and that have already sold. This way, we know that they're definitely in demand. And we're going to click on advanced options and we're going to tweak our BSR range. We want all the phone cases that are between 1 and 200,000 in BSR. This way we can ensure that the phone cases that are shown to us are the ones that are selling well. Make sure you turn on this filter and then come here and type 200,000. And now we click on search. Now, if you don't want to have to always enter these filters, you can just come up here and create a new filter, name it phone cases, and enter all the filter parameters like BSR below 200k, USA, products, phone cases, etc. Then click on save. Once you're in the filter, so this is what I'm going to name that filter, click on save, and there we have it. It's already created for us. So next time you come into bestsellers, you can literally go to default filter and go to phone cases, USA and US below 200k in BSR. There you go. Done. Now we start our research. It's very easy, guys. Now we know these are one of the best sellers that have just been uploaded, right? I'm going to go and hover over this button, click on search, and then click on opening product search, just like that. It's going to paste the title for us. I'm going to remove all the parts that I don't need, and I'm just going to keep the main important keyword, like Chest Life is full of important choice. I remove this as well. Click on search. There's 2 results, guys. It's a joke, isn't it? This is what I mean by very, very low competition. And it is selling, right? So if you add 2 more, you'll have 50% of the market share. And I'm going to follow the same technique with all of these. Now let's check this one right here. There you go. 110k in BSR, 6 results only. This one has sold as well. Now let's check this one. 687 results. Is it selling? Yes. Like hotcakes, guys. It is selling like crazy. And you can find loads of hidden sub niches in here. So not all of these designs have the same writing, right? And when we go to page 3, the results don't go up. We're in page 3, the results stay the same. Now let's check this one right here. 333 results, selling. Look at that, guys. Selling. Now this looks like Spider-Man, so we're not going to touch that. Let's check this cat librarian / book reader, that kind of thing. 671 results, selling. Yep, as you can see, decent BSR. Now let's check this one right here. There you go. 3 results and all of them have sold, right? Talk about low competition, actually non-existent competition if you work smart. Now let's check this dragon. It looks like it's a dragon, dragonfly, whatever. Yeah, the keyword is dragon, 206 results. Check this out, guys. Decent BSR all around. Let's check page 3, just for the heck of it. 206 results. Let's check this one. 537 results. Dang, selling. Look at that. You can even find sub niches here. Like I love hot rodeo mums, right? There's another sub niche. There's another sub niche as well. Opportunities left, right, and center. Let's check this one. 28 results. Selling. What about this one? Animego. 202 results. And yes, it is selling. Look at that. Dang. Now that's a funny one. Fart sniffer. 15 results. Look, and it is selling, guys. Half of the results have sold. Let's check this. We can go on and on and on. 13 results. One of them has sold, but it's only 13 results. Let's check this one right here. Check this out, guys. 37 results. A lot of them have sold, guys, as you can see. I'm sure these will be popular as well. Let's check this one right here. There you go. 29 results. Mexican folk arts. Yes, selling. Check this out, guys. Not even one page worth of results. Sales left, right, and center. Check this out. Retro floral. 325 results. Look at the sales. Look at the sales, guys. Page number 1, full of sales. Page number 3, still 325 results. And it is selling even in page 3. This is what I'm talking about. Opportunities hidden in plain sight. And people are saying Merch by Amazon is full of competition. You guys don't know how to find hidden gems. You don't know how to find opportunities. And this is the way for you. Now go ahead and copy and paste this strategy. Now, if you guys want to get access to phone cases information, it's not available in any other tool out there. Not that I know of. Check out Merch Dominator. You've got all the data in one place, guys. And it gets updated every single day. And that's the most important thing. If you're not subscribed yet, here's an opportunity for you. You've got 50% off. I'm going to show you how it works. You just get this coupon code right here. Put it over here. Click on apply and you'll get it for $24.50 per month instead of $49. And the discount lasts forever, guys. And if you want to get an even better discount, get the annual option. You'll get 2 months free on top of the original discount. So it becomes $245 per year, around about $20 per month when you factor in the yearly discount. By now, I think we can say it's a no-brainer. So there you have it. The secret to accelerating your sales on Merch by Amazon and getting out of tier 10 in no time. Remember, sometimes the most overlooked methods can be the most powerful. Now go ahead, design those phone cases and watch your sales skyrocket. And if you guys need a Merch by Amazon account or you know someone who needs one, I'm going to leave you a link down below in the description. You'll get it within 24 hours of purchase. I'll also leave you below a crash course for Merch by Amazon along with 200 plus profitable print-on-demand niches, a link to check out my full Ultimate Merch by Amazon course that's helped hundreds of people crush Merch by Amazon. And if you guys don't have time to do niche research, I'm going to leave you a link for my niche research service. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a strategy that could boost your business. Watch this video next if you want to make $100 per day with print on demand. And remember, success is just around the corner.